If you're an artist and you're not actually using verse or scene graph, you're doing it wrong. So these 5 statues right here, as well as this up here, is all scene graph and verse. These have all been tagged with the ability to go ahead and rotate them and scale them when the game begins. This is great for randomization and wonderful for actually just filling in worlds. Same things with these trees over here. Now these are interesting because they are scene graph. They've actually got a component on them that will go ahead and rotate this. Thank you to Sprinter Max and everybody inside of the Versers Discord that helped out with this. This is a huge plus. And then last but not least, we also have this right here. Now what this does is actually we'll grab 4 different props and we'll go ahead and spawn them at a specific radius, and we can say how many of them there are. Now something to note about this is that they do have to be props. So they either have to be Fortnite assets. So we have our bush right here. We have a couple of them, and we also have to understand that they have to be blueprints. So as long as they are those, they will work fine. Static meshes, not so much. However, if we put a static mesh inside of a entity, then this will work fine. So what does this actually look like? Well, let's go into the game, and you'll notice that these guys haven't changed, but these ones actually have because of the way that the simulation entity actually works. It's already running. But if we go ahead and play the game and go back in, you'll notice that these have all changed size and have rotated. So perfect. That's awesome. And again, these have stayed the same because of the way the simulation entity works. And then these over here have just kind of populated this area. We didn't have to do anything. It just kind of popped us up. So sometimes this is super helpful. Other times you'll have problems where these are actually clipping, but for the most part, this is a much faster way to work because we can drag in one specific thing versus everything that you see here. So yeah, it's just faster. So again, if you're not using verse and scene graph as an artist, you're doing it wrong.